In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a permission set in Salesforce. Permission sets in Salesforce are an essential way to manage user permissions and extend access without changing profiles. They offer a flexible way to grant users specific permissions they need to perform their tasks effectively. Whether you're an admin looking to streamline processes or a user aiming to enhance your Salesforce experience, understanding permission sets is crucial. To get started, first, navigate to the Setup menu in Salesforce. You can do this by clicking on the gear icon, typically located in the upper right corner of your Salesforce dashboard. Once you're in the Setup area, you'll notice a search bar often referred to as the Quick Find box. This is your shortcut to quickly locate specific sections or features within the Setup menu. Type permission sets into this Quick Find box. As you type, Salesforce will begin filtering the results to help you find what you need. Click on Permission Sets when it appears in the drop-down list. Now that you're on the Permission Sets page, you'll see a list of any existing permission sets that might have already been created in your Salesforce environment. To create a new permission set, look for the New button, usually located at the top of the list. Clicking on this will take you to a new page where you can define the parameters of your new permission set. Here, you'll need to enter a label for your permission set. The label is essentially the name that will be used to identify this permission set within Salesforce. You might choose something descriptive that reflects the permissions you're granting. For example, if the permission set is intended to allow users to export reports, you might label it Export Reports Access. This helps ensure that anyone reviewing permission sets in the future can quickly understand its purpose. Next, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled License. For our purposes, you should leave this as None. By doing so, the permission set will be universal, meaning it will not be restricted by any specific Salesforce license type. This is particularly useful if you want the permission set to be applicable to users with different types of licenses within your organization. After you've entered the label and confirmed that the license dropdown is set to None, you're ready to save your new permission set. Click the Save button, typically found at the bottom of the page. Congratulations, you've just created a new permission set in Salesforce. Remember, while creating a permission set is straightforward, it's important to consider the specific permissions you'll assign to it after creation. Permission sets can include a variety of permissions, from object and field permissions to app and system permissions, so take the time to tailor them to your organization's needs. In summary, creating a permission set involves navigating to the Setup menu, searching for permission sets, defining a new permission set with a label, ensuring the license is set to None, and saving your work. This process is a powerful way to manage user access and ensure that everyone in your organization has the permissions they need to be productive. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.